Welcome on board Scoot. Please pay attention to our in-flight amusement guide on how to get into the fly zone. Located at the front of our 787 Dreamliners are our exclusive ScootPlus cabins. Enjoy a welcome drink.
Hello!
Roomier leather seats with extra legroom, Wi-Fi, and more. If you require more peace and quiet, we direct your attention to our ScootinSilence zone, where passengers under 12 are not allowed. If your attempt to sleep still fails, the snooze kit will be released upon purchase. Firmly secure your neck rest, place the eye mask over your eyes, and pull the straps to adjust. Breathe slowly as you fall asleep. Thank you for your kind attention. On behalf of Scoot, we wish you a pleasant flight.